Hello everyone. So we have this interesting question from Exponents today, and this is a 5 minutes challenge. Let's see whether we can complete this in 5 minutes or not. So let's see how we can solve this question. So first of all, we can rewrite this as 1 by 4 raised to power 3 by 2 because this is a square root, correct? Similarly, here this is a cube root, so we can rewrite this as 8 raised to power negative 4 by 3, and this dot in between is for multiplication, right? This is equals to 2 raised to power x. Now we can rewrite this as 1 by 2 raised to power 2 and whole power 3 by 2, okay, because 3 by 2 is the power of 1 by 4. Next, 8 can be written as 2 raised to power 3 whole power minus 4 by 3. This is equals to 2 raised to power x. Now we will be using exponent rule, and we will write this as 1 by 2 raised to power 2 times 3 by 2. We are using the exponents rule times 2 raised to power 3 times negative 4 by 3. This is equals to 2 raised to power x. Now please see that 2 and 2 can get cancelled, 3 and 3 can get cancelled. Yes. Now we have 1 by 2 raised to power 3 times 2 raised to power negative 4 equals to 2 raised to power x. Now 1 by 2 can be written as 2 raised to power negative 3, okay, times 2 raised to power negative 4 equals to 2 raised to power x. I am using the exponents rule, and you can see here in the video itself which exponents rule we are using. So if we use the exponents rule again, we will get 2 raised to power negative 7 equals to 2 raised to power x. Now since the base is same, the powers must be same. Yes. So we will get x equals to negative 7. This will be our final answer. So what we need to find here, we need to find the value of x, and this value of x is negative 7. I hope you enjoyed the solution. If yes, please like the video, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.